Hello all, welcome back to my channel Tasty Bites. So in this video we are going to see how to make delicious super soft pancakes. For that we'll be requiring 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of slightly melted butter. Over here I have salt, cinnamon powder and baking soda. Over here I have milk, sugar based on preference, and over here I have baking powder. So first we need to put all the dry ingredients into this bowl and give it a nice mix. So first I'm going to add the salt, cinnamon powder and baking soda into this. So now I'm going to nicely mix this. So now after mixing this, we need to add the sugar into this. Like you can take powdered sugar also if you prefer that. So now I gave it a nice mix. Yes, so I'm mixing it. So after mixing this well, we need to add 2 spoons of butter into this. So mix it a little bit. Yes, 1 spoon. And the second spoon. So now we need to give this a nice mix again. So now after mixing this, we need to add milk into this. First we need to add very little and then mix it. Yes, now we need to mix it. Yes, so we'll be requiring little more milk, so we'll be adding it. Yes, so now we need to add milk until we get a consistency like the dosa batter. Yes, so now I guess it's sticking to each other. Yeah, we need little more milk. So now again we need to mix this. Yeah, so I'm still mixing it. It's binding well, it's becoming thick. Yes, I'm mixing it like it's binding well. So I guess we'll be needing a little more milk because this is very thick. Yes, so I got some milk over here, so I'm going to add this. Yes, so I guess that will be enough for the time being. We require more, we should add it. Yes. So it's becoming smoother now because of the milk. Yeah, so now it's like way smoother than that time. I guess we'll need a little more milk. And we also need to ensure there are no lumps in the mixture. So I'm going to add some milk into this. Yes, so that will be enough because it's already almost fluid. So it's becoming now very smooth. And mixing it, we can get to know the consistency. Yes. So now it's become like a dosa batter almost. As we can see, it's like dripping down from the whisk. Yeah, so now it's very easy to mix also. So now I guess I'll keep this to the side and I'll take my spatula. Yes, so I'll take this. So I'm taking it from the corners. Yes, it's stuck all over here. So I'll just remove it and just mix it in. So now it's time to pour our pancake batter onto the pan which I've already kept heating over here. So we need to pour it. Before that, we need to be smearing some butter onto the pan. Yes. So now after smearing the butter onto the pan, we need to take our pancake mix and keep the stove on low flame and pour it in the center. It will take the shape by its own. Yes, so if you want a bigger pancake, you can pour more. Yes, so on low flame, we need to allow it for about 1 to 2 minutes. Then we need to flip it. So now it's about 2 minutes and I guess it will be done by now. So we'll try flipping it. Yes, it has come out perfectly, the brownish color. So we need to wait again for 2 minutes or 1.5 minutes for the other side to be done. So now this is done. So I'm going to take it and put it on my plate over here. So it's come out perfectly. So I'll do it like this for all the batter. So now our hot, delicious, super fluffy pancakes are ready and we can be enjoying them. So bye.